Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here for the first time, you're welcome. I really appreciate you for stopping by. Okay, so in this channel I talk about spiritual tips and how to grow your spiritual lives using natural ingredients found at home, right in your kitchen, how to cleanse yourself, how to liberate yourself from evil powers of the enemies. If it sounds good, if you love that, subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Okay, so I am Pamela. For those that don't know yet, my name is Pamela. So today we are going to be talking about healing, how to heal spiritually. This is for those that have been attacked spiritually. Maybe the cause of your sickness, diseases are from spiritual source. Then this will help you greatly. Well, it doesn't work for everyone. You have to do the right thing first before doing this work. The first thing you have to do, you have to get green candle. Green candle. So right now I have white candle. I'll be demonstrating using white candle because I don't have green candle right now. So you have to use green candle, and green candle symbolizes life. It symbolizes healing and prosperity, but we're not going to be using it for prosperity right now. We're using it for healing. Green means life. Healing, it brings life. Okay, so you don't have to burn it anyhow. You have to burn it the right way to bring good results. Green candles invite angelic powers. They invite angelic energies around you. Yes, around you or around anyone you're using it for. I'm going to be showing you two ways you can do this work. The first thing we're going to do is cleansing. Anything you're doing, any spiritual work you're doing, you have to make sure you cleanse yourself. I always say that. So if you want to know how to cleanse yourself, just check in my channel. I have salt bath, I have red oil. Yes, how to use red oil, palm oil to cleanse yourself. There is also alligator pepper to cleanse yourself. There is also egg cleansing. Just check my channel and you see how to cleanse yourself. You have to cleanse yourself before any work, and you have to do it with faith. Make sure you believe. Make sure you leave your old garment. Old garment is if there are some things you are doing wrong, that there are some things you are putting in your hands. Maybe you are treating people so bad that it's affecting their life. You have to withdraw from it. Before you cleanse, you have to check your inner self. If actually you want to leave your old garments, if actually you want to leave your old ways before cleansing. That is why you see some people, they will start saying, I've done this and it's not working. Please check yourself thoroughly, okay? Check your inner self. Yes, before you invite good angels around you. Angels are there to do work for us. Yes, they are always there to, to guide us. They are there to work for us. You send them and they work for you. Yes, that is why God sends his angels to always work for us, to guide us on our ways. Okay, so you can send your angel work. Before doing it, you have to cleanse yourself. You have to stop those old things you are doing, the ones you know and the ones you don't know. If you are not sure if you are doing the wrong thing or affecting the lives of people negatively, you have to think first. Search yourself, search people around you. There are some people that no matter what you do for them, they will just end up talking bad of you, that you are doing them this, that you are not trying. I'm not saying that. If you know within you that you are doing something good, that you don't plan evil for people, that you don't shed blood, okay, if you check inside you, that you don't commit adultery, that you don't follow people's husband, go ahead with the cleansing and everything will work for you. And when you are cleansing, you are actually inviting energies, and those energies you are inviting are not just energy. They are good energy, good spirits. You are inviting angels, and before you invite angels around you, you have to search yourself. You have to make sure you leave those old garments of yours. Okay, so let's move on. Though I've shared the video before, okay, so I just want to brief you on cleansing. So before you do this, before you get your green candle, you have to cleanse yourself. Yes, sorry about the noise, here it's actually hot, so I just put up my AC. So you have to get water. It can be a small water. Before you get a green candle for healing, be it any work you are doing, you have to make sure you get water. I just want to show you one type of cleansing. There are different types. Get water. Get sea salt. Yes, if you don't have sea salt, you can make use of your usual kitchen salt. So you can get a big water, like in a bucket. You can get just a small water in a bowl. So you have to add a salt into that water. Pray with that water. Ask for forgiveness, okay? That as you are cleansing yourself, that you remove every bad thing in you. Be the one you cause for yourself or the one that another person caused for you. If you want to know more about that salt bath, yes, I'm going to be leaving the link in my description. You just have to go and know the proper way to do it. I'm just briefing you. So add salt into the water, pray with it. If the water is not warm, you can just mix the water. For those that live in a cold weather, this part of the country I am is actually warm, always warm. So yes, make sure the salt dissolves, the sea salt or table salt. But it's always best to make use of sea salt. You can find sea salt in the supermarket. You can find it from online. You can actually get it from all the spiritual shops. After that, you have your bath. Bathe with it from your head down. Okay, make sure you wash. You can do without soap. You can also use soap. After that, you towel dry or not. After that, you go on with this. Yes, sometimes it's good to do that cleansing like 3 times. It's good to do that cleansing 3 times or 7 times. So I really appreciate God for the testimonies so far, and I return all the glory to God. So after the cleansing, you have to get the green candle. You can find green candle from spiritual shops. This is white. It's not white, okay? Use green candle. So get green candle from spiritual shops. You get it from online. You get it from, some supermarkets sell it as well. So when you get green candle, you have to make use of any oil of your choice, but make sure it's a good oil that attracts good spirits. For example, you make use of olive oil. You can make use of sandalwood oil. All these oils are found in the spiritual shops, or you order it online, as I said earlier. So use olive oil, sandalwood oil, lavender. Lavender is very nice, okay? All these are essential oils except olive oil, but olive oil is very good. You can also use thyme essential oil. So the 3 essential oils are thyme, or you make use of lavender, or you make use of sandalwood. So you can also make use of olive oil if you do not have essential oils. So you just have to apply on the green candle, then rub the candle, apply on the candle. Okay, apply on it. Then in one side of the candle, you write your name or the name of the person that you want to use this for. If you are going to use it to heal someone, you are not the one healing the person. It's actually God. But if you want to perform it for the person, you have to make sure you write the name of the person on one side like this. Name of the person, okay, or your name if you are using it for yourself. Then the other side of the candle, just for example, your name is at the left side. Then the right side, you write healing. Remember, green candle symbolizes healing. It symbolizes prosperity. I'll be sharing with you how to use it to draw wealth, to draw prosperity, and to destroy anything like backwardness. So that will be in my next video. So right now, I'm talking about how to use green candle for healing. So after writing the name and applying the oil on it, with your wishes. Say your wishes of healing. You're applying it on the candle, just like this. Okay, applying it. Then after that, you light it. Light your green candle. As you light the green candle, any candle you are using, okay, the flame of any candle color you are using, any candle you are using, it symbolizes your expression of faith. Make sure you involve faith. If you are going to be doing this work for someone to heal that person, maybe the person is afflicted with spiritual sickness, spiritual diseases, you make sure the person do the cleansing himself or herself. Do not do the cleansing for someone. Cleansing should be done for the person doing that work. So allow that person to do that cleansing himself. Add that salt or any form of cleansing. Then after that, then you can do this for the person, or the person should do it for himself or herself. So as you light it, as the flame is going out, it symbolizes your expression of faith. Make sure you involve faith in it. Work without faith is dead. It won't work for you if you don't do cleansing, if you don't apply faith. So after that, as you light that candle, you just be praying for healing angels to be involved in that work. Ask for peace, ask for calmness, ask for healing. Pray very well as the candle is lighting. You must not wait for the candle to finish burning. You don't have to wait until it burns, but just make sure you don't quench the flame. Do not off it yourself. Allow it to burn down. Allow the candle to burn down by itself. Keep it on a safe place, okay, where it will not burn down the house. Okay, so just keep it safe and allow it to burn by itself. Remember, it's a green candle we're talking about. I'm just using this to demonstrate, and God is going to do a wonder, and everything will be well for you. Do this and everything will be well for you, okay? You receive total healing. You will receive anything you want with faith. God will bless you, okay? So if you need healing, just try burning a green candle. It's not as if a white candle will not do it, but white candle is meant for other things, for peace, for calmness, for cleansing, for purification. But that green candle means a lot. Applying oil on it will boost the effects. Essential oils makes it more effective because they draw good energy to that work. So I believe this is well understood, and I believe God will pass through this and bless you and do a major work in your life. Yes, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe in case you have not done so. Okay, God will bless you and heal you. Remain blessed and safe until my next video. Bye.